G'day Aaron, Lucas here from Phillis Ford in Christie's Beach, mate. Just a quick walk around video for you, the gorgeous little Mitsubishi Pajero GLX-R that we have in stock. And this one's travelled 120,000 Ks and has a good history behind it. So I wanted to get a quick walk around video for you and shoot this through because it's probably a little bit better than just a couple of photos that you can find on the website. Now, all four wheels are in good shape. The tyres that wrap around them are no different. They are pretty well brand new as far as tread goes, and the bodywork's pretty well beautiful, to be honest with you. It's a good looking car. The paint's in great shape. You can see that it's got the roof racks on the top there, tow bar kit, Grey Anderson plug fitted at the back of the car. And in terms of wear and tear, there's not really anything around the car that, you know, sort of draws your eye to it. Don't get me wrong, there's a couple of nicks and scratches around it, which I'll take photos of and send through to you as well. But the car itself presents really nicely, and you can see there, in terms of like the quality of the paint, it is still really good. There's no dull spots or sun damage or anything like that. And the roof itself is in really good shape as well. So you can see that they've never dropped anything off the roof racks or whilst trying to put things on the roof racks. Now, inside the car, the interior is beautiful. Probably for me, the highlight of the car is just how tidy it is. I'll zoom out a bit there so you can see all of the seats. There's no, like, I don't know, stains. There's no feet marks on the backs of the seats. There's no, you know, scuffs or scratches on the door cards or anything like that. It's got the big rubber floor mats right across. Air conditioning controls in the center there. Obviously, in the back row here, pull that forward a bit. Got the two seats up there. Really nice place for people to be. Plenty of space, good headroom, so you can still fit adults back there should you need to do so. And it's got air conditioning vents both in the back and middle rows to keep all your occupants comfortable. Moving to the front of the car. Again, a really nice place to be. Super tidy, super clean, very well kept. Door cards, interior, everything is pretty well immaculate. Car's travelled 119,752 Ks. Start it up for you. I don't know whether you know too much about the Pajeros, whether you've had one previously or whether you don't know anything about them at all. Personally myself, I've had a couple of Tritons with the same engine, which is the 3.2 litre. My father's had the Pajero as well, so you can see there it's got the Redarc Brake controller fitted. These cars are bloody bulletproof, to be honest with you, mate. Fantastic car for towing, for driving, touring, keeping the family safe and comfortable on the road. You name it, they're pretty good at everything. Everything is in really tidy working order. Climate control and everything as you'd expect. Down here on the left hand side, rear differential lock. You got your 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, and then your 4 low and everything like that. In your dual range select, automatic obviously. Huge center console with split section there, sliding. Just nice and easy to use. Open it up and you've got a big tub beneath there as well. Over here in the glove box, we've got all the original history and books. And the main one that we're discussing obviously is service history. So you can see there it was originally purchased from Northeast Mitsubishi, and it was privately purchased for a couple that lived in Happy Valley. Slipping through here, go to the service history. Oops, sorry mate, bear with me, it's sort of hard to do this with one hand. You got your servicing here, so 15,000 Ks carried out very well. Over here we've got the rest, so it's all been carried out by Duttons in Adelaide, Australian Motors, Mitsubishi. What's that? JKS Mechanical and Towing, Stuart Pope Automotive, Phillis Automotive at 119,722, and we've now done another extra 30 Ks. So good service history, well looked after car, super clean both inside and out. And its next service isn't due until 134,700 or this time next year. If you've got any questions about the car, don't hesitate to let me know. We do have a client looking at it at the moment. They're inside discussing a couple of things, so I will let you know if they decide to purchase the vehicle. But if they don't, naturally, gorgeous car both inside and out. Nudge bar, roof racks, tow bar kit, Redarc brake controller. And when I say scratches and blemishes around the car, I mean really little things like this that we can pop a touch up in for you and make sure that it doesn't get any worse than it is. Everything works as it should do, and it is a really nice car. Give me a call if you've got any questions, Aaron. Once again, Lucas here from Phillis Ford in Christie's, 0478 016 180. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Cheers, mate.